In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide the Google Chrome toolbar in just a few seconds, and then how to bring it back just as easily. This is a super simple trick if you want a cleaner browsing view, more screen space, or just a distraction-free experience while you work, watch videos, or read online. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how your system is set up. Once Chrome is open, you'll notice the toolbar at the top of the browser, along with the tabs and address bar. Now here's the easiest part. On your keyboard, press the F11 key. The moment you do that, Google Chrome will go into full screen mode and your toolbar will disappear. This gives you a much cleaner view and makes the browser window fill your entire screen. If you're on a laptop and the F11 key doesn't work right away, you may need to hold down the Fn key at the same time. So in that case, try Fn plus F11. That usually depends on your keyboard settings or device brand. Once Chrome is in full screen, you'll see that the toolbar is hidden, which is exactly what we wanted. This is useful if you want to focus on content without the browser interface getting in the way. It's also great for presentations, reading, streaming, or anytime you want maximum screen space. And if you ever want to show the toolbar again, all you have to do is press F11 one more time. That will exit full screen mode and bring your Chrome toolbar back instantly. So remember, F11 hides it and F11 again restores it. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to hide the Google Chrome toolbar and how to turn it back on whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.